So check this out. Working on some 4-link stuff today. Yep, I'm all laid out here. Got the bushings in the ends, and gonna get the brackets put up underneath. There's the brackets. We'll get these shoved up underneath on the frame. Today we're just gonna be doing some deburring with some miscellaneous abrasive discs, my teeth, toothbrush, etc. Got the upper bracket tack welded in there. I'm going to go ahead and burn in some welds on that to keep it where it's at, and then we'll move to this other side. Yeah, we got a lot more work to do on that side over there. Looks pretty nasty. That is now one piece with the frame. Okay, let's finish this up. I got that one welded on. Got this one behind me here, just kind of positioned there. I don't know, we'll see. There she is. Get a couple tack welds on that real quick here. Oh, I don't like laying in the dirt. Anyway, that side over there is all welded up. Tried to put some sweeties on there. Okay, it's now raining on me. Well, not really. I'm under here, but the welder and all my tools and everything else, so gotta hurry. There we go. That's what we're getting after. Okay, a couple more to do here. You go sit over in the weeds. That'd be it. We need to make one of those. Welded on there. That is one piece. So that's the end of everything. We got the bottom brackets, top brackets, got the frame done. Spray paint. It's time to paint some parts. Give me a call, Crownlawn.